Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to invite friends in Worldcoin application. So first things first, you need to launch your Worldcoin application, and then here you have to click on this mini or mini app. So here on the mini apps, what you're going to do is you have to search for the invite. So you can go to the search button, tap on continue first, go to the search button and look for invite. Now, once you found it, you have to click the Get button. So you have to tap on Get. It's like install. Wait for a couple of seconds, and once done, and then you can now open this invite section right here where you can see your contacts, and all you have to do is to click and invite them. So you can now share your invite. You should see this one right here where you can share via contact sync and then copy paste your code. So allow the app to have access to your contacts. A pre-made invite link code will be sent to them via SMS, WhatsApp, etc. Now, step 4, when your friend opens the link or pastes the code, they will be prompted to accept invite during installation or onboarding. So alternatively, they can either enter the code via settings, redeem invite before their orb scan. After that, they must complete World ID verification for both of you to be eligible for rewards. Then step 5, earn and claim rewards. After you both invite and your friend verifies, you will receive WLD rewards. Rewards show up in the rewards grants tab of your mini apps, and you will likely to tap claim to add them to your wallet. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.